How to fix TikTok effect problem. If you have any problem with any filter or effect, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. First thing guys you have to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find a lot of apps that you have on your phone. So you have to search for TikTok and click on it, and then click on the power usage details and make sure that the power consumption alert is enabled like this, and then go back like this, click on the permissions, make sure to enable all the permissions, every permission right here, go back, and the last thing you want to do is click on data usage and disable all those options and enable them back again, and then click on force stop to stop the app from running in the background of your phone, and then you have to make sure that you have the latest version of TikTok. If you don't know how to do it, then you have to open the Play Store or the App Store, search for TikTok and click on update. Don't forget to like, subscribe.